Good morning, sir. Good morning to all. My name is S. Gokulakrishnan. My register number is 20BC0035. In this general English 2, I represent my individual presentation. The topic is state of matter. Now we want to see about the state of matter and the types and see the types by brief. At last we see in conclusion. Okay, first we want to know about the state of matter. State of matter is one of the most distant forms that different phases of matter takes on. It's the distant forms and the different phases of matter. Four states of matter are observable in everyday life that are the solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Now we want to see about the four. The third point is many other states are known as Bose, instant, condensates, and neuron degenerate matter, but they only occur in extreme cold or extreme dense. That means more cold, more dense. Other states such as quark, gluon, plasmos are believed to be possible, but remain theoretical for now. It's not done by practical. Not no one at now. It's only theoretical. Okay, and I want to see about the four fundamental states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Okay, first we want to know about the solid. In this picture, I represented a picture of a solid, and you want to know about what is it. In a solid, the particles are closely packed together. It means particles means ions, atoms, or molecules are closely packed together. The forces between particles are strong, so the particles cannot move freely, but only can vibrate. It can only vibrate, and it cannot move freely. As a result, solid has stable, definite shape and a definite volume. It has a definite shape and definite volume. Solids can only change the shape of pores when broke out or cut. And the second one is the liquid. I represent the liquid picture. You see, it's the water. A liquid is a nearly incompressible fluid. It is a fluid type that conforms to the shape of its container. What is the when we put a liquid to a container, that liquid changes as a container shape. That's the it's a but it retains a constant volume independent of pressure. There is no pressure in it. When we apply pressure, it comes out of the shape. The volume is definite if the temperature and pressure are constant. Volume means that is the shape, that size. It's not size, but put in the container. That's as I can tell. When a solid is heated above its melting point, it becomes liquid. Given that the pressure is higher than the triple point of the substance. When we heat the ice cube, it can melt it. It becomes as a liquid. You can know about that. Third one is a gas. As spaces between gas molecules are very big, gas molecules have very weak or no bonds at all. The molecules in the gas can move freely and fast. A gas is a compressible fluid. Not only will a gas is a compressible fluid. Not only will a gas conform to the shape of its container, but will also expand to fill the container. It has no shape, but it can fill the container. A space between the gas and molecules are very big because gas has no shape. We can only see. We cannot touch it. That like gas molecules have very weak or no bonds at all. There is no bond in this. The molecules of the gas can move freely and fast because it only seen by our eye, but we can't touch it. At fourth, I want to see about the plasma. Like a gas, plasma does not have definite shape or volume. It's like a gas. It's like gas. does not have a definite shape and or volume. Unlike gaseous plasmas are electrically conductive, produce a magnetic field and electric currents and respond strongly to electromagnetic forces. But it's not. But the second point there is it's not unlike gases. That means it's not equal to gases. Plasmas are electrically conductive because it produces a magnetic field and electric current. It can produce electric current, so it's a response to strong electromagnetic forces. Positively charged nuclei swim in a sea of freely moving dissociated electrons, similar to the way such charges exist in conductive metal. In fact, it's this electron sea that allows matter in the plasma state to conduct electricity. Okay, at last we see about the what is conclusion of the state of matter. All matter is made up of atoms, whether substance is in liquid, solid, liquid, and gaseous state upon the arrangement of the atoms. Arrangement of atoms, the substance depends upon solid or liquid or gas. The particles that make a gas are separate from each other and move freely. The particles that make a gas are separate from each other. It's move freely. This makes gas very easy to compress. Okay, we are while pumping a cycle wheel, we can compress. We can give gases by pump. It's very easy to compress gases. Thank you, sir. I done my best. Thank you for giving this opportunity to do my individual presentation. Thank you, sir. Thank you to all.